Today we are going to give a fresh start to learn SolidWorks 2020. First of all, what is SolidWorks? How we can use it? What are the fundamental usage of SolidWorks in mechanical engineering field? So, SolidWorks software is used for everything from rapid prototyping to designing and is crucial to many engineering and drafting methods. It is also useful for developing new innovative products. And some of the applications of SolidWorks are manufacturing, which means turning designs into products including machine modules, then designing, surface modeling or parametric or direct solid modeling, then engineering analysis that includes electromagnetic analysis, thermal analysis, fluid analysis, etc. So the important features of SolidWorks 3D rendering is its visual analytics, photorealistic rendering and 3D animation, and its mechanical library. So let's see how we can use SolidWorks. Here I am using the 2020 version of SolidWorks. Here we are going to study the first features, which means that is extruded boss or base. Here we can see a simple info that is given to extruded boss or base. We can learn from this simple description. And what is extruded boss or base or extrusion in SolidWorks? That means it creates a 3D solid from an object that encloses an area or a 3D surface from an object with opponents. Here all of you can see I created a rectangle. This is an enclosed shape. I need to extrude this shape to Z axis. Here you can see. Now I put into trimetric mode. That's why we can view this in 3 axes, in X, Y and Z. So the extrusion direction is towards Z direction. Okay, which means I can create this rectangle to a box. So here I am choosing the extruded boss or base option. Then you can see the first message appears is select a plane on which to sketch the future cross section or an existing sketch to use for the future. So here we have an existing sketch and this is it. I'm choosing this sketch. There you can see the extrusion profile started. Alright, and that is towards Z direction. And there you can see the related options of boss extrude from sketch plane, surface or face or plane, vertex offset. Here that is already chosen, that is sketch plane, and the next option is direction. All we know is this is towards Z direction, and there is an arrow, direction blind 10 mm, which means the depth is 10 mm from the base of the sketch. And the option blind means we can add whatever the amount of depth like this. If we need point values, that also given to this area, or else you can use this arrow to extrusion. There you can see a ruler for measurement, and here you can see the change of dimension. Alright, if you need to change the direction from this direction to the opposite direction, you can choose the reverse direction option like this. Alright, then we have some more options in the direction, that is up to vertex, up to surface, offset from surface, up to body, mid plane. Okay, for using these options we need to refer to another body. I will show you how to use this after completing these options. Alright, Here also we need another reference. I will show you. Then coming to the next option, that is draft. Draft on or off. So what is draft? We can concentrate the entire face to a point like a draft. How we can use it? Please click on draft on or off. There you can see I'm changing the direction to this side so it is easy to view. Now the draft is on, and that is from 1 degree, that is draft angle, which means from each point it is inverted to 1 degree. Now I am adding more angle like this. There you can see the draft angle increases. The 4 vertex is concentrating to 1 point according to the degrees like this, which means from this point, if there is a line that is 90 degree, the gap between this line and the 90 degree line is 21 degree. That is draft means. You can change the views and see that. I will go for the front view, back view, left side view, right side view like this. The angle of the difference is 21 degree from this straight line to this line. Alright, that is draft in extrusion. And we can use another option like draft outward like this, from the base sketch to the outward direction. You can see the difference. There also we are using the same angle, that is 21 degree. Alright, that is draft in both extrude. If you don't need this, just turn it off. It will be in the old position. Alright, and the next option is direction 2. Here you can see we used direction 1. In direction 1 I add depth up to 83 millimeter. So the depth is 83 millimeter, and there is a second direction on the opposite direction. Okay, that is direction 2. If you add direction 2, there also you can keep the blind. Blind means up to the level of view like this. In this area also you can add the second direction.